just let go of your. Don't be sad, don't you cry, just let go of your pain. And when you fall asleep, no tomorrow's a new day. Don't be sad, don't you cry, just let go of your baby.
As you can see, it's raining outside quite torrentially. I'm just sitting outside now, Starbucks, trying to see if this rain's gonna slow down. Over there, which when I looked on the internet, it said that it opens at 9 o'clock, but it's definitely not open. So I'm going to try to walk around with this camera now and just I'm going to go into one of the areas to shop now. Buy some more clothes, I think. I've been in here before the last time I came to Thailand, and as far as I remember, lots of different floors. I can't remember. There seems a lot of women's clothes in here, which there is. So I'm going to head up outside. I think this is like a covered outside part. It's like totally rainy, so I'm just going to walk around here for a bit and try and do some filming when I can, but this rain has to definitely stop.
See the crystal raindrops fall, and the beauty of it all is when the sun comes shining through to make those rainbows in my mind. When I think of you sometime, and I want to spend some time with you. Just
is absolutely crazy. You can smell like the smoke from food cooking, chicken, and then the heat is not so much right now. The heat is dissipated. There's tuk-tuks and people cooking on this side, that side. Just everyone getting through their daily chores on a Monday morning, I guess. See? Motorbike. And right now, as usual, I'm completely lost. I have no idea where I am. But I'm going to climb over this wall and go into this place now. So, still non-stop rain. Doesn't look like it's going to let up anytime soon. So I'm just going to keep wandering around until I find something interesting. I'm trying to see if I recognize any of these places here, but I really don't think I recognize anywhere here. We have everything here, sports t-shirts, one pair for 120 baht, 3 pairs for 300, which is not too bad, actually. 3 pairs for 300 is cheap. Excuse me, are these large? Large.
Yes.
Okay. 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 I take 3 pairs for 300, yes?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Got myself some running shorts, which I always need. you. It's not too bad. So yeah, I got my 3 pairs for 300. Yeah, the rain's not letting up at all. Nice little cafe over there. Hello. Back in the rain again. Now, cannabis has just become legal in Thailand. I think maybe 2 months ago. And actually, here is a cannabis store.
Just hold on. Just hold on. It's hard to do these things alone. Just hold on. Just hold on. Just hold on. It's hard to do these things alone.
Okay, so now I think I recognise where I am. When I last was in Bangkok, my hotel I think was over there somewhere. Yeah, I mean it definitely was, because I've eaten in one of these restaurants here. So yeah, I think I'm definitely in the same place as where I used to, where I last did my last vlog. But this rain is torrential again, so I'm going to go inside here, and there's like a mall here. So I'm going to take a look and see if there's anything that catches my eye here. By the way, on the rest of the vlog we're going to be doing sort of like more tourist places, not just shopping all the time. And I've been pretty intense with what I've been looking at, so yeah, we'll be trying somewhere else pretty soon.
Good morning.
Good morning. Here we go. Oh. Okay, so just going to take a look around, see what's here. Some t-shirts over here. And shorts. The style in Thailand seems to change every so often. It's like sometimes it's one style, then it's another style, and it like, you know, like for example, one time I came here, it was all Ralph Lauren. Next time you come here, it's all something else, then it's something else, then it's something else, and of course everything's copied. So there seems to be just like seasonal copies, which definitely changes every time I come here. Here are cases. I will have to buy one of those when I leave. When I come to Thailand, I never bring any clothes or anything, because I generally buy everything here. There's no point in. I mean, you can literally save your money on the clothes that you buy here rather than just like bringing them over from the UK or from the US or wherever you're from.
Stop, give a minute.
Underwear.
Even if you
And now it seems like I'm on the main
can't
street
stop
here
from
again.
crying or nothing that we can do now. If I follow you, follow me. Probably meant to be. Grab a cigarette, you will not regret it. If I follow you, follow me. Follow you, follow me, follow you. Even if you follow you, follow me, follow you. Even if you. my body feels like summer rain. Tastes like sweet and sour every time I talk you. You ask anything I feel like we lose. Everything you lose, I tell you. The weakest, the weakest. I'll explain it. You ask anything.
Just a note, yeah, still raining in Bangkok. As you can see, I am totally soaked. I couldn't find a toilet anywhere, and I was hunting around. And what I've realised, if you ever get yourself in that situation, then usually, as a Westerner, you can just walk straight into the hotels and nobody asks you a question. So that's where I am. Right now, I'm just at the Ramada Hotel in Bangkok, Ramada Hotel, and everywhere doesn't seem open currently. I think they open like around about 11 o'clock, I think. So that's what I'm intending to do, go have a look at a few more stores and go back down that way, but it's been non-stop rain. Hello and good morning and welcome to another edition of Outside the Box, and we're at Pantit Plaza on a very, very wet Bangkok Monday morning. Today I'm basically going to be looking around the malls to see, well, the street markets, the vendors, and just take a look around all the areas here. So currently I've got myself a Starbucks coffee and a muffin. So today is a very, very wet day. I don't know if you can see. So it's very, very wet today, and we're going to be enjoying the weather. Forgive me for my bad camera use there, but we're going to be enjoying the weather and taking a look around outside.